Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in JA. No, it's not a brand new day in JA. It's a brand new day in France, in beautiful Nice. And it's early in the morning, it's like 10 a.m. and I am cooking dinner. Typical Jamaican, start dinner before they even eat breakfast on a Sunday. And the reason why I'm starting dinner so early today is because I am making a real Jamaican Sunday dinner today. I'm making oxtail and rice and peas and veggies today.
Rice and no ham?
No, you're having rice and peas and oxtail. You want ham? What kind of ham you want?
Normal ham.
Okay. They've got oxtail on Friday at the supermarket. So I am cooking it before it go bad on me. So it's Sunday. What better day to cook oxtail than on a Sunday? So Jamaican do oxtail any day of the week. But anyway, you guys get the idea. The kids are around here. Yes, Sarah, Mama hear you. I'm coming with your orange juice. Sarah wants her juice because it's winding down to her nap time. And I already have cookies in the Tyler lever. I already have some cookies in my freezer. So I'm trying that out now to get the rice and peas going. Yeah. So just put it in my mouth. And for breakfast, I am having overnight oats and what is it? And yogurt. And I'm not having any green juice this morning because I only have one stock of celery remaining, so I'm keeping it for tomorrow morning. I rather have it on mornings that I work out to give me the extra energy than have it on mornings that I don't work out. Though I normally have green juice every day. Anyway, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Let me show you guys the rest of the family before I go ahead and have breakfast. Brother kiddos, Sarah, what are you eating? She's eating whatever her brother is eating. He's eating toast, so he gave her some. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I mean,
What are you doing here on your sister tablet?
doing puzzles.
He's doing word puzzle.
I mean not bye-bye. I mean not hello. I mean wagwan.
Right, that me talk about. Sarah, you say wagwan. You want more? She wants some more tie. Look how cute they are. Aren't they the cutest? Anyway, those are the babies chilling. Sarah gonna get her orange juice and then go down for a nap in a bit. So I'm gonna squeeze her orange juice right now. Let me guys show you what's going on the stove. So we have the oxtail right there going, and I have the peas trying to come out of the Ziploc bag that I had it in. So I'm just slowly getting it to defrost so I can get rid of the bag. So yeah, that's what's going on there. That's okay, she's gonna have juice now. Because I don't have the ingredients to make it. I don't have enough. Only have enough for tomorrow morning, so I'm saving it for tomorrow. Right. So I'm just braising the oxtail before I put it in the pressure cooker. Yeah, my pitney is a real Jamaican. Tyler have every toy you can think of, but he choose to play outside with clothespins. Have you ever seen anything like this? Clothespin and puzzle. That's what he's doing. Puzzle on his sister tablet and playing with clothespin. As long as you're having fun, baby. That's all that matters. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, guys, oxtail out of the pressure cooker and into the pot to finish up. Inami Dutchie. Oxtail in the Dutchie. And the rice and peas is already finished. So we're almost done here. What are you doing? You calling Papa? She calling Papa. Sarah, no slapping. No slapping. Okay? No slapping. Ah? What are you doing? What are you doing, princess? Everybody outside chilling. Dave was out here just now, but he just went inside.
I'm not Tyler.
What?
I feel I'm not Tyler.
You're not Tyler?
No.
Who are you?
I'm Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man.
Okay, Monsieur Spiderman. Sarah, what are you doing? Why are you examining the back and smiling? Look at her, Tyler. Look at your sister. Look at her. What is she doing? Oh my god, she's so funny.
Guess what's my favorite color?
Your favorite color is red.
Yes, but another one, not only red.
And yellow.
No, not
Blue.
yellow. Yes.
Your favorite color is red and blue?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And
why
you know,
is red and blue your favorite color?
because my favorite superhero is guess.
Spider-Man?
Yes, because my favorite superhero is Spider-Man, and Spider-Man's favorite color is red and blue.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, understand.
Guess what video game I like?
What?
Is it Roblox or Star Wars?
Star Wars.
Yes.
What is wrong with Sarah? She's looking
What
for
is my favorite video?
What is your video?
Is it Nickelodeon
Uh-huh.
or Tag with Ryan?
Tag with Ryan.
Yes.
See, Mama knows you.
What is my favorite vehicle?
Your favorite vehicle
Meow, tell
is
you is it tram or airplane?
airplane.
No, it's a tram.
Really?
Yes.
Between airplane and tram, you would choose tram?
Yes.
I don't believe that. Because those are two of your favorite. But I think you like airplane more. But you travel in the tram more. I don't think you're right about that one.
What's my
Say morning, monsieur.
Good afternoon, guys.
Mama, what's my favorite people? Is
Your
it
favorite people?
policeman or pilot?
Pilot.
Yes.
I know. Okay, next question.
Next question is what? No, it doesn't. Guess what?
Hi.
What's my favorite color of mountain? Is it green or
White.
yes?
Because you love snow.
Yes.
Yes.
guess what mountain I like? Is it around the mountain or a pointy mountain?
I'm going to say, I don't know this one. I'm gonna guess. Pointy mountain.
No, I didn't say the number. I say if it's pointy or round.
Yeah, and I say you like the pointy mountain.
No, the round mountain.
Why you love the round mountain?
Like that I can't hurt myself. Like that I can walk on top of the mountain.
Okay, next question.
How no, it's not that. What number is my favorite? Is it 1 million or 100?
100.
No, it's 1 million. Papa is right. So,
What's Sarah admiring her brother bike and smiling? Have you ever seen anything like this?
the other question is, what's my favorite color of flower?
Ooh.
Is it purple or brown?
Brown.
What did you say? Purple. Yes, Papa is right.
Why purple?
Because
Why
that flower.
Brown because he love fall. He love when the leaves fall and he pick them up.
Purple.
So, what color?
Move. That was a good guess.
What kind of mother is that?
Move.
You
You
want
full of
every
shit like
answer.
crap.
What planet is my favorite? Is it Earth or Jupiter?
The
Earth.
No, it's Jupiter.
Why Jupiter?
Because it's the biggest planet.
Okay.
What's my favorite tool? Is it a hammer or a screwdriver?
A screwdriver.
No, a hammer.
Why a hammer?
Like that I can knock you on your head. Knock you on your head. For losing the domino game that you lose yesterday. Like that I can snap you. Look at someone.
So why you want to knock Mama on her head with a hammer? If you knock Mama on her head with a hammer, she die.
Oh, so the other question. What I love to do. What is my favorite juice? Is it Coca or Oasis?
Ooh, that's tricky, Coca.
Oasis.
Coca!
Ah! This should be a sit-down video.
What's my favorite food vegetable? Is it? What is my favorite thing to eat?
Okay.
Where I like to eat. Is it at McDonald's or Burger King?
McDonald's.
But no, it's Burger King.
Why Burger King? No, you're tricking.
It's because we never go to McDonald's. We only go to Burger King.
That's not true. That's not true at all.
Okay.
He's so funny.
So,
Next question.
what color of barbecue of this barbecue I like? Is it green or brown?
Huh?
Green or
Green or brown?
Wow.
Of barbecue?
Yes. What do you think?
I'm gonna say green.
Green!
Why green? This is so hilarious. Why green?
But
Look
because
at Sarah.
this is the color green.
You're too funny. Look at Sarah. Sarah living her best life. Sarah in our bins. Sarah! Sarah! We're trying to finish Sarah's car battery because it needs to charge. Huh? Because the battery finishing. Yeah. We're teaching Tyler how to ride his bike. Here he comes. What are you doing?
Okay, putting some clothes.
Putting the clothespin in your toy basket?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to
Because you want to what?
do something.
Sarah! Sarah!
No.
Come! Here. Watch my toe! Watch it.
Something can saw that.
You have to pay attention and look for her.
Mama, I'm going to do something. Stay there.
He's so funny. When your kids love playing with clothespin instead of their actual toys. Sarah? Sarah? You're enjoying the taste of the clothespin? Hmm? Princess? She's like, okay, I taste that one. Let's taste another one. You guys, here goes dinner. Oxtail, a little rice and peas and veggies. It looks so good. She'll be happy to hit that down. Wow, Sarah, look at that one. Oh,
Bravo! Wow, t'as vu c'est...
no. Uh-oh. Yay!
Tiens, celui-là.
She pushed down the green one before, you know.
Bravo.
Yay!
Celui-là.
Yay! Okay, let's go with the Jamaican expression of today.
The Jamaican expression is run tabletop.
No. Pronounce the word properly. Look again. Look at it.
Run tabletop.
Round table talk.
Run tabletop.
Round table talk means gossip.
You know, like people, they eating and they just talking and like whatever happened.
Right, gossip.
Okay.
Round
Yes.
table talk means gossip, right?
Yes.
To gossip.
You know that's giving me the French expression. Just giving me the French expression in this one. I don't think you know it. The French expression of the day is téléphone arabe. What is téléphone arabe in
Telephone
French?
Arab.
What that mean?
That sounds like something have to do with stealing. Telephone Arab.
You know what is téléphone arabe, Tyler?
To eavesdrop on a conversation?
No.
But it's the
What is téléphone arabe? You know what is téléphone arabe?
that mean we lost our phone?
No.
What it means?
Papa chicken telephone.
Alright, I'm gonna tell to everybody in the same time. So, telephone is a phone and Arab is Arabic. So, literally is Arabic phone. We call telephone Arab in French when, like, for example, is the same. We are in on the table and we say something to somebody, and this somebody tell it to somebody, that somebody tell it to somebody else, and at the end, the person who got the message is completely different from the first message. So we call it telephone Arab. Is like disturbing.
Okay, we get it.
You get it?
Yes, I get it.
Make sure you get it.
Different.
Alright,
Okay,
say
you
the
give yours French expression. Tyler always give you guys a French word, so let's hear what his word for today. Hurry.
Mur.
Mur.
Mirror.
No.
Wall.
nothing. Yes, wall.
Mur can be wall. It can be wall or it can be something else. If I say that the banana is a mur, what?
Ripe.
Right.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So
Or
there.
if I tell you, do you like mur? Mur is a third things for mur. You have ripe, you have wall, and you have another
Oui, je sais,
thing.
je ne comprends.
Okay, mur is also fruits that you eat, like a blueberry, like a raspberry, things looking like this.
Oh.
It's called mur.
Okay. Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
When Mama say you get it, you have to look at the camera and say, make sure you get it.
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Oh! Jesus Christ! Why you going to choke me? Comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Feel my hair in your hand. Goodbye. Go to your bed.
Later.